The Night Watch, painted by Rembrandt van Rijn in 1642, is a monumental group portrait that captures a moment of action among the civic guardsmen of Amsterdam, specifically the militia company led by Captain Frans Banning Kok. Contrary to its misleading title, which suggests a nocturnal scene, the painting actually depicts a daytime event, illuminated by Rembrandt's masterful use of chiaroscuro, where light and shadow create a dynamic composition. The scene is alive with movement as the captain commands his troops to prepare for action, with figures arranged in a semicircle, showcasing their uniforms, weapons and banners. Among the notable elements is a young girl in the background, symbolizing the company's mascot, who carries a chicken, a pun on the captain's name, Kok. The painting, measuring approximately 12.4 by 14.9 feet, was originally larger but was trimmed to fit a new location in the 18th century. Rembrandt's innovative approach transformed the traditional group portrait by infusing it with narrative and emotion, making it a hallmark of Dutch Baroque art and a celebrated masterpiece housed in the Rijksmuseum, where it continues to draw immense public interest and admiration.